Alright guys, just stopped for a break. I'm on my way to a fire tower at this pretty cool spot. Look how beautiful that is, guys. There's the bridge, there's the trail. I'm just right off of it. Just a beautiful spot. Alright, so since I'm taking break by water, I just want to let you guys know, I use two GPS devices. I use my cell phone. I actually prefer using my cell phone. And I also have a Garmin that is in my pack. They both work off satellite, but I keep that in my pack and I can send messages off of it. But I like to use my cell phone. It's easier to see for me. I just want to let you guys know, since I'm always by water and hiking, I did get this case off of Amazon. I know they say that this is the iPhone 11. I know they always say that the iPhone is waterproof, but I don't know how much to trust it. I don't care how much they say it, but I still don't trust it. So I bought a case. This is supposedly waterproof. I haven't tested it yet, but it snaps right. You slide it right in, and it snaps right in. It's a really, actually not reasonable. I got two of them for $20, and I got it on Amazon. I will put the link below if you guys want to check it out. And also, I like it comes with like this little string here, so you can attach it to your pack. So you don't have to worry about losing your phone or leaving it behind, because it's always attached to you. So I really like that too. So if you guys want to check it out, I will put the link below. It's nothing too bad, nothing expensive, and it's nice to have. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you later. See ya.